Good morning, students. As we have discussed in our last video that we will do the more questions of the that same exercise 7.4. So here I have written one more question, and actually the question is important also. The question is AB and CD are respectively the smallest and the longest side. Why the question is important? Because we are doing the chapter triangle, and here they have given the quadrilateral. So our methods, our lemmas, our theorems are not applicable on the quadrilaterals. Then how will we solve this question? We will solve this question by making the quadrilateral, by converting the quadrilateral into triangles. And how will we convert? We are going to join any one diagonal of the quadrilateral. If you will join any one diagonal of the quadrilateral, then it will divide it into two parts, and two parts will be of the shape triangle. So how will we solve? To show, I have written here what is given in this question. AB and CD are respectively the longest and the smallest and the longest side. It means AB is smallest and CD is longest. CD is the longest of quadrilateral ABCD. Of quadrilateral ABCD. Here students, we can compare AB with the rest three sides only. AB is the smallest one if we will compare all the four sides. CD is the greatest one if we will compare all the four sides. But we can't say anything about any fifth side of this quadrilateral. Like if any student is scoring first position in your section, that and he is scoring 95% marks, he is the highest, he scored highest marks in your section, but we can't compare with the other section. Maybe in other section someone has scored 97% and he is having the second position. So it means we can't compare that student with the other section students, because the result that we have taken, that he is as the first position, is only of his section. So we can compare only for these four sides. We can't compare these sides AB and CD with the fifth side. Clear? So how will we solve the question? First of all, we should do one construction, and the construction part will be join BD. I'm going to join here BD. Join BD. Join this BD, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. We have divided B and D in the four angles also by joining BD. Now it is converted into two triangles, first triangle and second triangle. And how will we solve it? Let's start the proof. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AB, BD and AB, we can't compare BD with any side because BD is the fifth side. I know that BD is greater than AB. It is clearly visible in the diagram. But visibility doesn't mean that we can take that BD is the greatest one or BD is the more than AB. But our information is AB is the smallest. AB सबसे छोटी है, not by BD. We can't say about by BD, but yes, I'm sure for AD. So what I will write? AB is smallest one. AB is smallest side of quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, therefore I can write AD is greater than AB. Fine, because AD is also the side of a quadrilateral. Now, convert in angles because our answer in angles. So, AD, which angle is opposite to AD? It is angle 1. AB, which angle is opposite to AB? It is angle 3. So, angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Reason, angle opposite to longer sides are greater. Fine. Name it as equation number 1. Now, in triangle BCD, as CD is longest one. CD is the longest one. Therefore, CD is greater than BC. We can't compare with the BD, but we can compare with the sides of the quadrilateral. This implies CD. Which angle is opposite to CD? It is angle 2 and is greater than BC. Which angle is opposite to BC? It is angle 4. So I have written angle 1 and angle 3, then angle 2 and angle 4. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now what we can say? By adding 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2. We can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is greater than angle 3 plus angle 4. What is the value of angle 1 plus 2? It is angle B. Is greater than. What is the value of angle 3 plus 4? It is angle D. So hence done. Which part? Second part. We have done the second part. Clear? Now if you want to complete the first part, what you should do? You should join now AC. Let me remove this diagonal now, because we may be confused by this. Join AC. So the construction is join AC. Now angle 5, 6, 7, 8. As we have already used angle 1, 2, 3, 4 in our last part. So what we will write? In triangle ABC. AB is smallest. AB is smallest. Almost same method. AB is smallest. Therefore, BC is greater than AB. Now, convert in the angles. BC का opposite angle is angle 5. AB का opposite angle is angle 8. Name it as equation number 1. Second, in triangle ACD. CD is longest one. CD is longest one. We can't compare with the diagonal, but we can compare with the AD. Is greater than AD. Convert in angles. CD opposite angle is 6. AD opposite angle is 7. Name it as equation number 2. Now what we are going to do? Add 1 and 2. We should write 3 and 4 because we have already used equation number 1 and 2 in our last part of the same question. Add 3 and 4. 5 plus 6 is greater than 8 plus 7. Now what is the answer of 5 plus 6? It is angle A. And what is the answer of 8 plus 7? It is angle C. So angle A is greater than angle C. Hence proved. Hence we have completed both these parts. Clear, students? So you just take care of both about the longest and the smallest side. It means you can compare only, the comparison can be done only in between the sides of the quadrilateral. Clear, students? And after writing the relation between the side, you should convert in the angles because they are asking the to show in the angles. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you, students.